Welcome to our vegan pesto recipe tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to make a vibrant and flavorful vegan pesto that's not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. Let's get started. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which help you to burn belly fat in 7 days. Now let's start. Step 1. Blend together. Start by combining in your food processor 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, half a cup of your choice of nuts, pine nuts or walnuts, and 3 cloves of garlic. Step 2. Add creaminess. While blending, slowly drizzle in half a cup of high-quality olive oil to achieve that creamy texture. Step 3. Season to perfection. Season the mixture with half a cup of nutritional yeast for a cheesy kick, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for brightness, and salt and pepper to taste. Step 4. Blend away. Blend everything until you reach a creamy and aromatic pesto consistency. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Your vegan pesto is ready to elevate your dishes. Serve it over cooked pasta, use it as a spread, or dip. Enjoy the burst of freshness. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.